hear this. Liberty come through carelessness. So no bother with the carelessness. Hear me, sir, me want you hear me.
Where the front with CI? The front with CI?
Sit down now.
Baby. No. I'm part the cloud. Rosie, what's really going on here? You mean to tell me say I leave for those 5 little long short years and you have man in here? You know what I do to build this place, Rosie? What's going on? You need to talk to me, you know. You need to talk to I immediately.
A lie, babes, a lie. People lie, man. People too lie. People just too lie. What kind of man me for having in our house, babes? What kind of man me for having in our house? The union fire us. Kind of man me for having in your house, babes. Oh, me for do your things, babes. Remember your market before you left?
You see anything Jamaica people say? You see, if you no go so, you nearly go so.
Babes, me I tell you. But I never do that. You think me don't love my life? And babes, just tell me not do that.
I don't going to learn something because I can't see your lies and I want to.
What kind of lie me I tell you, babes? Why me would I lie to you? You know me not lie to you. What am I to you?
What am I here?
Why me would I lie to you?
You know say man no move. You no move too far.
What you mean no move too far? Me tell you say me never did and do nothing while I left for you in fire us, you know.
Boy, I don't trust nobody, you know. But anyway, take your time, belly. That's tight, man. It's too heavy. Come, we'll lump on the pillar. Belly on the pillar, you know. Come on, man.
Yeah.
Good one. Bongo puts the grass cat. Oh, I want to.
Babes. Babes, relax yourself now. I'm my cousin Bonnie. Bonnie, come here.
Stop! I'm born down in there. Hey, boy, Mr. Come out here. Hey, boy, wait.
She mess a girl and mess up in the night. I'm hungry, you know. I want to feel over the feed. I'm a bigger girl I could take back in her life, you know. That now.
Rosie.
Yo, Fire say I have cut off my black.
What? Oh?
Fire us.
Yo, I walk on Rosie.
There's something there on my phone, Dan.
You end up on your what?
My phone. Talks about and watch it.
Brian begging us something. Brian begging us something. Pretty the blind. Thank you, big woman. You look good, yeah. Hey, give it. Yeah.
Thief! 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 Somebody call the police! Help! Come back! Somebody call the police! Thief! 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 Somebody call the police!
What one you me take you from here, so. Alive?
Yes!
Alright, me take you from here, so.
Police brutality! Wait! Wait!
Hey boy, get up! Get up! Get up! Boy, where are they? Boy, how are you do? Kick police! Oh, they dead now! Wrong thing you do, you don't respect police. Boy, look at out that station. Get up! Hey boy, get up! Boy, where you come from? Where your name?
Jermaine, sir.
Jermaine, sir? I don't teach you something today. Boy, here goes station. Yeah, bad man, look at my foot them. Run now, no. Run now, no. Oh, criminal station, where can you go? We are going to buy out that station. You send up with the pan this, sir? You better can lead down. Hey, boy, lead down your foot.
Headless. What happened? You just a kickback so they a drink out and me blend juice and the place no clean up, boy. You know wash up the plate them.
But guess what? Me deal with the pan to them first. Remember, me wash pan to them first.
Get up, go do it now. Yo, why you me a talk? Get up, go do it now. Come, go wash them. One himself. Oh, left that.
Me can't left it.
What's this boy? Hey, boy.
Why that girl man can't take his style, no. One bun me and one use me. Where you get them something here from, man? I want to deal with it. I rate her still, you know. So a girl and can't take her style, you know, man. So.
Oi. Make sure you not throw no bleach for me jaws, you know. And that me a tell you. Look here, no give me no back chat. Oi, wash this too, you know. Wash it.
God almighty, you have to kill me.
I'm humble, you did I mumble?
No. I tell you how much me love you, baby.
Go and talk off your face, you hear?
You're good, you know.
Fuck. Yo, fire, that too close, you know. Mad! Yo, what up on my end? Yo, bring in some rum, you know. Mad! So yo, you know smoke?
Nah, man.
But yo, if I can get some good weed to buy.
That's how pirate I can get you.
Yo, get a firebase back, you come. Good weed, you know.
Come here, sir. You have anything for the government?
Government officer, what you talking about, man? Hold on, man. You're going to search me, man. What you up to?
Hey, you go on, sir. Hey, easy yourself. What is that?
You see what?
Wallace. How you get this from? You have permit for this?
Yes, officer.
Long time I want something like this, you know.
So if you do this?
Anyway, if you do this, so look, if I let you go, so bust a shot in your foot. Hey, boy, run!
But officer, I can't run fast.
Run, hey, boy. Hey, boy, better. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Government can't talk to me again. Me a real bad man police. I don't hear about. Let me spin up on finger. How you look, sir? Come on, fire bike. We have for the police.
Not at all, officer.
How you look like a scammer, sir? Huh? What's your name?
The man ever clean. You have a scam for clean.
What you talk about? Why look like you have money? So you can do for help yourself. No, so this a bike can license here. I'm call Eureka. Let me see what you have.
I give you a little pocket still.
Little pocket, and you're a scammer. How you talk about? Yo, you don't even bother counting. You know what? Go on. And let me see what kind of road there. Don't look back.
I love Carelessness, my girl. I want to get back in money for give myself because I can't take a problem. You know?
Rose, you are going, girl. Hello, man.
There.
Good.
Yeah, man.
So, Rose, you're good, though.
If my man come back, I don't must go. I want to you.
I don't want to say kind of vex with me still and something, you know, but you don't know, you know. Bartender, I beg her cup now. Drink some around.
My man come back and I'm happy again. I want to see him, so I get rid of the stress.
I know you didn't like Rasta, you know.
Whoa, I'm a good man. I'm happy. That's it.
Yeah, I'm happy to you. Yeah, I'm happy to you. Yeah, man, something. I work on my phone, man. Shabam. Yo!
I didn't have this. What's in here? Into the licky. Not sure.
So, Rosie.
Lock up time. What you do here? You. Lock up time in a home.
No drink it, officer. No drink.
You can't tell bad man not to drink.
Rosie, come here up and drink off the same. Here, police come and say lock up time. Come on, we are going.
Lady, come lock up the shop.
Hear this, liberty come through carelessness. So no matter with the carelessness. Hear me, sir, want you hear me, miss.